अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बायोलॉजी का चैप्टर 3 विच इज़ अबाउट बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स। इसके जो 50 मोस्ट MCQs है, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs है, वो आज हम पढ़ेंगे। नंबर 1, बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मेनली कंपोज्ड ऑफ। ऑप्शन सी इसमें सही है, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन। Biological molecules are mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Number 2, the basic unit of carbohydrates is option B, monosaccharide. Basic unit of carbohydrates is monosaccharide. Number 3, glucose is an example of option A, monosaccharide. Glucose is an example of option A, monosaccharide. Number 4, sucrose is a option B, disaccharide. Sucrose is a disaccharide. Option B is right. Number 5, starch is a B, polysaccharide. Starch is a polysaccharide. Option B is right. Which carbohydrate is stored in plants? Option A, starch. Which carbohydrate is stored in animals? Option B, glycogen. Number 8, cellulose is found in option B, plant cell wall. Cellulose is found in plant cell wall. Number 9, lipids are B, insoluble in water. Fats are composed of B, fatty acids and glycerol. 11, which lipids form cell membrane? B, phospholipid. Phospholipid. Option B is right. Proteins are made up of C, amino acids. Proteins are made up of amino acids. The bond between amino acids is called option B, peptide bond. The bond between amino acids is called peptide bond. 14, enzymes are proteins. Enzymes are proteins. Option B. 15, enzyme act as option B, biological catalysts. Enzyme act as biological catalysts. 16, which factor affects enzyme activity? B, temperature. Temperature affects enzyme activity. Option B is right. Optimal temperature for human enzymes is 37 degrees centigrade. 18, extreme temperature causes enzymes to denature. Option B, extreme temperature causes enzymes to denature. Option B. Nucleic acids are made of C, nucleotides. Option C. Nucleic acids are made of nucleotides. DNA stand for deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acids. RNA stand for ribonucleic acid. DNA is mainly found in option A, nucleus. RNA is involved in option B, protein synthesis. Which nitrogen base is present in RNA but not in DNA? Uracil. Uracil is present in RNA but not in DNA. Which nitrogen base is present in DNA only? Option A, thymine. Vitamins are B, option B, organic compounds. Vitamins are organic. 27, vitamin C deficiency causes option B, scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency causes option A, rickets. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. Vitamin A deficiency causes option B, night blindness. Minerals are inorganic compounds. Minerals are inorganic compounds. Iron is required for option B hemoglobin. Iron is required for option B hemoglobin. 32. Calcium is important for option B bones and teeth. Water is important because it option B acts as solvent. 34. About what percentage of cell is water? 70%. Glycosidic bond is found in option A carbohydrates. Steroids are option B lipids. Cholesterol is a type of option B lipid. Primary structure of protein refers to amino acid sequence. Option B. Denaturation of protein means loss of shape. Denaturation of protein means option B loss of shape. Catalysts speed up reactions by option B lowering activation energy. 41. Coenzymes are usually B vitamins. Coenzymes are usually vitamins. Option B. ATP is energy currency of cell. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. 44. Phosphate group is present in ATP. Which biomolecule stores genetic information? DNA. Option C. Structural proteins include option B keratin. 47. Hormones are mostly proteins. Enzyme specificity means enzyme works on specific substrate. Option B. Biological macromolecules are option B large complex molecules. 50. Study of biological molecule is part of biochemistry.